This is Noccalula Falls during a drought. This is what a drought does. Due to climate change, droughts like this are becoming more common, unfortunately, in the southeast. Let's go over here. Show the waterfall from this vantage point. Over here, you can see Black Creek is down. There's the waterfall with cascade. Below us, Black Creek. I can't get closer because of the fence. And all the Christmas decorations are up. I'm gonna go over here. Show you right there. I'll keep moving back. Yeah, no waterfall. And slightest trickle. That's it. That's scary. On my YouTube, you can see lots of pictures, or I should say on my Instagram rather, sorry. I have lots of Instagram lives of this thing, this waterfall roaring. And it's not roaring now. That's what a drought does. And we have burn warnings, no burn laws in effect right now, no burn orders, rather, and fines are supposedly doubled, even though I've seen remnants of people burning. People don't care. Why? Because people here are under a certain mentality that's a Christian conservative mentality where they just use everything up and wipe their ass with what's left. And this is the results of that sort of mentality.